students of standard 7th, as you have learned rules for simplifying an expression. In previous video I have explained rules for simplifying an expression. Now we are going to solve examples given in practice set based on rules. So question is, simplify the following expression. What is the first expression? First expression is 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Here it is first example from practice set 25. What is our first rule? First rule is that we have to do multiplication or division, whatever it is, first from left side. So from left side, here first operation is multiplication. So first we will do this operation, that is 50 into 5. 50 into 5, 5 5s are 25 and 0 as it is. So 250. Then remaining expression as it is we will write, divided by 2 plus 24. Now same rule we have to follow. From left side, which operation is there? From multiplication and division only we have to see. Division is there. Okay, we will divide 250 divided by 2 we will do. So what is the division? Division is 125 plus this 24 as it is we will write. This operation we have done, its answer is 125 and 24 as it is. Now only addition remain, we will add that. 125 plus 24, it is 149. This is our answer of expression. Now here second example, that is 13 multiplied by 4. It is in bracket, first bracket, divided by 2 minus 26. So here we have to solve bracket first. So in bracket, which operation is there? 13 into 4. First we will do that operation. Give here equal to sign. 13 4s are 52. Now remaining expression as it is we will write, divided by 2 minus 26. Now what will be the next operation? Here, if we follow rule, then from left side we have to do multiplication or division if it is there, and then addition and subtraction. Here already division is there, so we will divide it. 52 divided by 2. 52 divided by 2 is 26. So write here 26, and this 26 as it is, minus 26, and 26 minus 26 is 0. So answer of this expression is 0. Now see this third example, that is 140 divided by, now here it is square bracket, negative 11 into negative 3 minus negative 42 divided by 14 minus 1. So what are our rules? From left side, multiplication or division, whatever operation is first, that we have to do. Then addition and subtraction. But what we have to do, if bracket is given, we have to solve first bracket. See here 140 divided by, in bracket all these operations are there. So we have to solve bracket first. Don't think about this 140. Now in bracket also same rules we have to apply. From left side, multiplication or division, whatever operation is first, that we have to follow from left side. So here in bracket, which operation is first from left side? Yes, multiplication is there. So we will multiply this negative 11 and negative 3. So equal to sign first we have to give. Write 140 as it is, divided by bracket 11 3s are 33, and here negative it will be positive. So it is positive 33 minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Remaining as it is we have written. Remaining expression as it is. Now next step, second step, again 140 as it is we will write, divided by, now we will think about bracket only. So in bracket which operation is there from multiplication and division? See here, 33 minus negative 42, but we will not think about this operation. Why? What our rule tells? Our rule tells that we have to do multiplication or division, whatever it is there first. So here division is there. This division we will do first. This one, negative 42 divided by 14. So in bracket 33 minus this operation, 14 3s are 42. So here it will be 3. Then what about sign? Here minus, here it is plus. So it will be minus 3. Then what remain here in bracket? Minus 1. So write here minus 1 and square bracket complete. Now first we will remove these signs. Here it is minus, here also minus. See, minus minus it will be plus. So we will write one more step, that is 140 divided by 33 minus minus plus, plus 3 minus 1 bracket complete. Now still bracket is not completely solved. So we will solve bracket 140 as it is divided by. Now here addition or subtraction from left side, whatever it is there, that we will do. So from left side which operation is there? Plus 33 plus 3. So first we will do 33 plus 3 is 36 minus 1 as it is. Again one more step, 140 divided by 36 minus 1, 35. So here 35. Now this bracket is completely solved. Now 140 divided by 35 we will do. So what is division? 140 divided by 35. Yeah, yes, correct. 34 4s are 140. So write here 4. Division is 4. So our answer is 4. Answer of this expression, this big expression, is 4. See here this example. If you will follow all rules properly, you will get correct answer. Now we will see fourth example. See, this is fourth example. First curly bracket is there. Then here round bracket. In round bracket 220 minus 140 plus. Then here square bracket is there. See here till here square bracket is there. In square bracket 10 into 9 plus. In square bracket again one more bracket is there, that is negative 2 into 5. Square bracket completed here and then curly bracket also completed, minus 100. Now see what we will do. First we will solve this round bracket. So curly bracket we will keep as it is. 220 minus 140. What is the subtraction of 220 minus 140? It is 80. 80 plus. Now remaining brackets as it is we can write. Otherwise you can solve here also, because two separate brackets are there. This is round bracket, this is square bracket. So separate brackets are there, so we can solve that also. But for less confusion we will write as it is. So it will be 10 into 9 plus negative 2 into 5 and then curly bracket complete minus 100 as it is. Okay. Now again curly bracket 80 plus. Now the square bracket. 10 9s are 90 plus 5 2s are 10. But it is minus sign here, so it is negative 10. So write here minus 10 or negative 10. Then square bracket complete, curly bracket complete and then minus 100. Now here 80 plus, first we will remove these two signs. So I will write one step again. 90 plus minus it is minus 10 and it is in square bracket. Then curly bracket minus 100. Now here 80. Now we will solve this inner bracket. Only square bracket remain inside this curly bracket. So first we will solve that. Every time we have to solve inner brackets. आतल्या ज्या brackets आहेत त्या पहिल्या solve करून घ्यायच्या. So 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10 it is 80. So write here 80 curly bracket complete minus 100. Now only one bracket remain, that is 80 minus 80. Sorry, 80 plus 80. Here plus sign is there, and 90 minus 10 is 80. 80 plus 80. Only one bracket remain, that we will solve first. So 80 plus 80 is 160 minus this 100. 160 minus 100 is 60, and this is our answer. This is our expression. See this big expression. If stepwise we will solve, rules wise we will solve, then we can get correct answer. Okay. Now we will see next example. What is fifth example, last one from this practice set is 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. According to rules, we have to do multiplication or division, whatever it is there in expression, that we have to do first. So here first addition is there, then division is there. So what one we will do first? Yeah, we will do division first. First fraction as it is we will write, that is 3 upon 5, and we will do this one. So here plus sign. First fraction, how to do division of fraction, that you know. In division of fraction, first fraction as it is we will write, then take here multiplication sign, reciprocal of second fraction. So 6 upon 4's reciprocal is 4 upon 6. Then again first fraction, this one as it is we will write, because we are not going to do addition now. Addition sign here. We are solving only this last division. Now 3 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 6 we will do. Now here we will multiply numerators and multiply denominators. Numerators are 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12 and 8 6s are 48. So what remain here now? 3 upon 5 plus 12 upon 48. This 12 upon 48 here only we can reduce. 12 ones are 12, 12 4s are 48. So what fraction remain here? 1 upon 4. So again this step I will explain you. Here only this fraction we can reduce. So 12 ones are 12, 12 4s are 48. So here we got 1 upon 4. So here we can write next step 3 upon 5. First fraction as it is, and next fraction it is 1 upon 4. So we can write here plus 1 upon 4. Now here only addition remain, and we will do this addition. Now you know fraction, addition of fractions. For addition and subtraction we always want denominators equal. But here denominator is 5 and here denominator is 4. So we will make them equal by multiplying. So what to do here? Multiply by its denominator, that is 4, to this fraction, and multiply its denominator, that is 5, to this fraction. So here it will be 3 upon 5 as it is, multiply by 4, here also multiply by 4, plus fraction as it is, multiply by this 5 to numerator and to denominator. So here we will do 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. Plus 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. Now here two fractions we got and denominators are equal. So we can add only numerator, denominator as it is we will keep. Okay. So I will solve it here. See here. Same step I will write first. That is 12 upon 20 plus 5 upon 20. So add only numerators. 12 plus 5 upon 20. So here it is 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 upon 20. So answer of this expression is 17 upon 20. So in this expression what we have done? Only followed rules. Here division we have done first. Then already you know how to do division, that we have done, and then addition here we have done, and you know for addition we have to make denominators equal. So denominators equal we have made, and then solve and got answer 17 upon 20. So here we have finished our this chapter, operations on rational numbers. It is very simple chapter and very important. Only these rules of expression you have to remember. If you solve all these examples in your notebook by your mind, then you can understand all steps and you will get more practice so that it will become very simple for you. Okay, solve it in your notebook. Bye bye, have a nice day.